Welcome back to the channel, everyone. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing and unboxing a couple of strobe lights from Firehouse Technologies. The first one we're going to unbox is going to be the Arc Pro Multicolor. This is what I currently use on my Air 3S. Also, if you're interested in this kind of strobe light here, be sure to like and subscribe and comment on this video, and that will enter you in the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. We're at like $7.95 or something like that now, so we're getting pretty close, and might get chosen to win one of these free of charge. We're also going to unbox and review the Firehouse Technologies Micro. Recently picked one of these up myself. I've bought all this stuff with my own money, just saying. And I will leave links in the description to these items, so if you want to check them out, check out those links. But the Micro here is a little bit smaller, be perfect for the mini drones, things like that. But we're going to unbox this, and then when it gets dark out, I'm going to take them out and film a little test showing you how bright they are. So we'll get to it. All right, so here we go with the Micro Pro. I'm going to turn it on. One click turns it on. Now it's paying attention, and then long press makes it start doing its thing. And this also has other modes too. We're gonna push the button one more time. Switches it. Long strobe there. Long strobe and a flash. And that just stays on. This is just regular strobe. That's what I would call it. It just keeps strobing. I would call this long flash. One more mode that it has. Light up, flash, I guess. And always on. I think that's the end of it there. I think that's the last one. Yeah, so that's what you get for the Micro. And again, this is also good for the 3 statute miles for the FAA here in the United States. So this here is the Arc Pro. Again, this is what I'm giving away in the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. So we're going to see all the modes that it has. Give it a quick press. That turns it on. And I'm going to be using this remote. So we got a strobe. Turned it off. It's kind of dark in here. I can't see what the controls are, but trying to switch it. Longer bright strobe. Always on. Now we're starting to get into the colors. Always red. Into the green. Always green. Into the blues. Always blue. Red, green, blue. multicolor. And so there you have it. I feel like that's all the way through the cycle of colors. But again, covers the 3 statute miles. These things are bright as can be. It really actually helps flying at night just to be able to see your drone because that thing's so bright. So guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to win this particular one. Actually, this is exactly what I'm going to be giving away. So again, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video.